Okay, let's go to the left-hand side. We're on page 481. And let's start with number 16. Can I fit it in there? Beautiful. Okay, so your instructions are to condense this together. Go ahead and do that. Okay, first thing, your coefficients become exponents. Okay, and then we're going to have to combine all these together. Positive. When you have a bunch of subtractions and additions, you're going to have natural log of one fraction. The positives go in the numerator. The negatives go in the denominator. So the positives are a and c to the 1/3. And this probably won't be written as c to the 1/3. The 1/3 power is the third root. In the denominator, put the b squared because it's negative. And so that is your final answer. Let's look next. I'm going to jump around a little bit. Let's go up to 33. Then we'll go back to a different one. e to the x plus 1 equals 30. And go ahead and try that out. Okay, we need to switch these around and change that to natural log. So natural log of 30 is equal to x plus 1. This one was just like the example in our notes. And then subtract 1. Punch that in your calculator. And I get 2.401. Okay, I want to do one more, and it's going to be a little weird. Number 28. Working backwards, save the tough one for last. Let us stretch out a little bit. And go ahead and try to do the first couple of steps there. I think I'll just pause as we go through the video. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is change log to natural log to an e. And when you change that, you have to switch these two around. So that's to the third power equals t minus 1 squared. Okay, now I'm going to take the square root of both sides. Careful to say plus or minus. I'm going to say this is e to the 3/2 power because the square root is the 1/2 power. So let's put that, let me just write it first. Okay, the index here of 2 becomes the denominator here. And then to finish off, we will add 1. So you're going to have two solutions. Go ahead and try to punch those in your calculator, and let's see if you can get it right. Okay, you're going to type it on two different lines. Okay, let's go ahead here. E to the 3/2 plus 1. And e is on a couple places, actually above the division key and above the natural log key. E to the 3/2, whoops, plus 1. There's an answer. And to put a negative in front of it, hit second and enter, and that will bring up your previous answer. Move the cursor to the beginning. Insert is above the delete key. So hit second in that, and you'll see the cursor change to just a line. That means you're in insert mode. Type the negative, which is to the left of the enter key, and then hit enter. And that's your other answer. So 5.481 and negative 3.481. So both solutions to the original equation. And those are the problems I want to go over. Go ahead and do your 3 questions. your assignment. Good night. Good luck.